Unravel the mystery. Tag questions with this and that. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into a fascinating and often overlooked aspect of conversational English. Our focus for today is tag questions, but more specifically, tag questions with this and that. These special cases of tag questions can sometimes be confusing, but don't worry, we'll be breaking them down for you in this video. So, let's dive in. Before we delve into the specifics of this and that, it's essential we understand what a tag question is. A tag question is a special construction in English. It's a statement followed by a mini-question, the tag. For example, you're learning English, aren't you? Here, aren't you, is the tag question. The tag question's purpose is often to confirm or check something the speaker believes to be true. Now that we know what tag questions are, let's understand how this and that play a role. When we use this or that in our statement, the corresponding tag question often uses isn't it or is it, regardless of what the subject of the statement is. For example, 1. This is your book, isn't it? 2. That was easy, wasn't it? Note, we use isn't it when the statement is in the present tense and wasn't it when the statement is in the past tense. It might seem a bit tricky initially, but the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. So, don't hesitate to use this structure when speaking or writing in English. While isn't it or wasn't it are generally used with this and that, there are some exceptions when this or that is followed by a plural noun. In these cases, we use aren't they or weren't they. For example, 1. These are your books, aren't they? 2. Those were the good times, weren't they? Remember, English is a language full of exceptions, so it's good to keep an open mind and be ready to learn and adapt. And that's it for today's lesson, learners. We hope this video has shed some light on the special cases of tag questions with this and that. Keep practicing these constructions and you'll soon be using them effortlessly in your daily conversations. Remember, mastering a language is a journey, so enjoy each step of it. Until next time, happy learning!